while visiting family in the area, we decided to get a national forest permit and try our luck searching for a Christmas tree. So we drove out to the Monongahela National Forest to begin the search. But first, it was time to head up to Gardenier Knob for a fun family hike in the snow. With an elevation of 4,449 feet, Gardenier Knob is the highest elevation of Shavers Mountain, a ridge of the Allegheny Mountains. Its peak was the former site of a forest fire lookout tower, which operated until the 1970s. The loop trail is just under half a mile long and very flat, perfect for families. The kids loved walking on the fresh snow. We all had a great time exploring the knob, but little did we know the adventure that would await us later in the afternoon. After descending Gardenier Knob, we headed out to another peak a few miles away to begin the search for our Christmas tree. After a lot of searching, we picked out a balsam fir and secured it to the roof of our car for the trip home. We began our descent down the mountain just as the sun was starting to set. we hit the shaded north side of the slope, our problems began. The trip up the slope was easy, but as we began to head down, ice had formed on the road. I quickly realized I had misjudged the conditions. I tried to maneuver to the left side of the road, but I had no control. The next several minutes were terrifying. Now that we had spun around, I wanted to get my passenger side tires off the edge of the road where they had more traction. So with the help of four-wheel drive and some traction boards, I was able to get to the side of the road. After getting out to scout on foot, we began the slow process of backing down the mountain about a quarter mile until we had a safe area to turn around. We never venture this far into the wilderness without survival gear, and though we considered spending the night on the mountain, more snow and freezing temperatures in the forecast meant that the road conditions would not improve anytime soon. From this point, the road began to improve, but we were not out of the woods yet. After the dangerous situation we had just been in, and with the sun setting, it was hard not to feel a sense of urgency to get back to an asphalt road, but we took it slowly and cautiously. Ford's downhill assist was critical, both in slowing down the vehicle and my nerves. I mostly kept my foot off the pedals and let the vehicle do the job. As we approached the final curve, and with a steep drop off to the left, we were hugging the right side of the road when suddenly the front end slid into a ditch. Facing downhill on an icy slope, with one tire in a ditch and 3 tires on icy gravel, I did not expect to get out of this situation without some recovery gear. So it was time to break out a shovel and some traction boards and see what we could do. After several minutes of digging out wheels, repositioning traction boards, and rocking the vehicle back and forth, we were able to get out. As we exited the National Forest land, we passed a sign warning us that the next 1.5 miles are private land and to please stay on the roadway. Sorry, I'll try to do better next time. Despite our difficulties, we had a great time, and we're looking forward to setting up our Christmas tree in our home. The tree may only last for a month, but the memories about how we got it will last forever. Thanks for watching, and from our family to yours, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year.